Happy, Jiminy Cricket, Mulan, Donald Duck, Basil, Hercules, The Most Diabolical Scheme, Pick a Fight, Ring the Bell, Cinderella, Perplexing Signpost, and a Cold Foil Hypnotized. Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh, Felicia, Charge, You Can Fly, Pick a Fight, Daisy Duck, The Huntsman, Radican's Marvelous Trap, and the Queen of Hearts. Fairy Godmother, What Did You Call Me? Gaston, Rabbit, Tiana, Car Soldiers, Mouse Armor, Belle, Mulan, Gaston, and a cold foil Snow White, Eudora, Croc and Mallet, Fidget, Flynn Rider, Jasmine, Beast, Launch, Fairy Godmother, Zero to a Hero, Mrs. Johnson, Cheshire Cat, and a cold foil Minnie Mouse. White, Winnie the Pooh, Felicia, Queen of Hearts, James, Cinderella, Mother Gothel, The Prince, Daisy Duck, Wait Set, Pete, and the cold foil Minnie Mouse. Like, comment, and subscribe.